Hey, what's up, Wazir X coin holder? What's going on, my friend? This time I'm going to show you the latest update of Wazir X coin. I'm going to show you the price prediction of Wazir X. I'm going to show you the technical analysis of Wazir X, my friend. So kindly, what expert says and what's I says, my friend, everything I'm going to discuss now, and what's the CEO special update for all of you. So let's start a brand video, but please remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you kindly research personally before you take any decision. And one request more, to subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification. I hope if you subscribe this channel you will get a very good profit. My friends, the price as you can see is on the screen, 1.53 USD dollar and 1.23% the Wazir X price will dumps down. So what's the reason, my friend, to the prices dumps down, and what we will need to do, my friends, to get a profit? My friends, the market cap, you can see here 1.11% is decreasing. So remember, to if the market cap is decreasing, then the price will decreasing. So why the market cap is decreasing? The main question is why the market cap is decreasing. Yes, if the volume is decreasing, then the market cap is decreasing, my friend. This is the answer. So here, as you can see here, the volume is 28.01% decreasing. What's the reason to the volume is decreasing, my friend? The reason which I found, my friend, I'm going to show you, but kindly please, my friend, here as you can see here, something very special for all of you on the chart, my friend. FVC, my friend, this time the resistance line. So you can see here the green line is green in the chart. You can see here the green line is the profit, but you can see here the red line is they were dumps down from resistance line, so that's mean to they are lost. So my friend, when the coin were dumps down from resistance line, that's mean to they are in the lost. But this time you can see here they are also dumps down from resistance line, so they are in the lost. My friends, why they are dumps down? Remember, to after a huge pump every coin will dumps down. So therefore, as you can see, my friend, especially in previous days, Wazir X will very fastly moving upward and get a very huge pump. But after that, you can see, my friend, Wazir X will dumps down. So don't worry if they were fails down from a short time. So I'm 100% sure to after this fails they will pumps up. Yes, my brother. So therefore I will notify you, my all viewer, my subscriber, to my prediction is 100% going positive. An expert says to in upcoming time the price will pumps up after the mid of month, especially after the 20 November, my friend. They will give you a very good profit, especially at the end of month. So therefore I hope, my friends, too, Wazir X will make you a millionaire. Don't waste your time, please hold down and don't starting selling. See you next time. Allah Hafiz and take care. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.